This is another normal distribution question, and they give us the mean and the standard deviation. They want to know P84, which is the score separating the bottom 84% from the top 16. This is also known as the 84th percentile. And we're going to use one of these norm dist or norm inv. So I have norm dist written first here. So let's go ahead, type in norm dist and then tab. And notice in the parameter list, the first one is x, which is a measurement or a value. We're trying to figure out the score. We're trying to figure out the value. That would be the 84th percentile. We don't know the value. Both functions have the mean and standard deviation, and this one has cumulative. So we don't know the value. We're trying to figure it out. Let's go with the norm inv. And here, of course, we have mean and standard deviation, but our first parameter is probability, and that probability, also known as a percentile, is the 0.84 or the 84 percentile. So that's our probability. Our mean, I have already typed it in, and standard deviation is also typed in. And we just hit enter here. Now I have the correct answer over here in the green. This just has some rounding on it. And I believe on this question you can leave the exact value or you can round to one decimal place. It's up to you. But that's how you do this computation.